aba amansane yena yedi Kumawo TV aba amansane yena yedi
Kwame Eugene doesn't respect say Patapa.
Yeah, Patapizi. Patapa says Kwame Eugene doesn't respect. Or person just say Kwame Eugene omwadie. Kwame mwadie. O kan wo video mu. Yen hwe se ebenya video na ana se ebenya Patapa picture. Abrekora no ne omo twetwen enkomo ne sada. O kan straight say omu adie Patapa sikidi. Omwade Kwame Eugene bwade o kai se mre bi atwem na kidi ne Patapa ni Eugene enya issue bia. Obubu onyu bi Kwame Eugene wo ye that word I don't want to use on okay can't say bisa efa Kwame Eugene obi so opese or this ade no reviving the dead career no wo ne career na ewu no opese or the Kwame Eugene din
career na ewu
Patapa do bo one corner
I don't know na ewu
no be so just na nze won ma
on na enyom to am so e force
say no opese
so what can say adwene ho asa na for fraba
video no ewo ha ma me yenkohwe video ni bra yenye video ni wia na ya be twetwe ho nkomo kakra ewo ha
dread and we utunya we me na ya survive one no we would go French class and more go friend tosio a friend then tosio just say tiaso one word and I French where be me social studies French would go my friend tosio I see what a fancy just said tiaso it's an interest and right there's a way wig now the wig and man was a wig okay let's say who now you say and what's that's all you know before again it's not the plus your the tiaso Patapa what can highlight parties from them fetching thing for no one sending when I say that be let's come you on nigga so wanna come you on nigga na no nigga so no wanna I don't come here you be and yami yankwa no say the okasa na say about akogwa me friend me artist high life artist I know a high life artist because never believe man why no see so okay be say and yet you can high life and you say and I also himself Kwame Eugene one is as winning because remember the one I said now Kwame Eugene win him so you can high life as and anything na Kwame Eugene to high life so to have pop Dabi oh no I can say high life music oh no can but on to high life but no be say no better so me work can obi or to high life mama e akobo abe oh to Kwame Eugene to high life wana so you we need high life and I am one of the man no one of the jump for so because what's all about football the VG there me on award no na kidi say yen o kidi dey me penase there's only Kwame Eugene was problem only Kwame na so no at time for me yanko a ono gbogbo ni dia mu tutu me pesa ogbogbo ni dimpa me kidi obi obuade no kwa me ne kasa Kwame Eugene buade moko the change uko a news you pa no me say I'm talking about Akobwa on high life artist yes ena ye ka high life in so a ena wabo kid ni di kidi e call tamale okay but relationship ayen no se gwe no ne ma me wo no ne ma me tete no ne papa so ye den tete no nti why na yan tete no
we enen sema Patapizi added to eja Patapizi person chese Kwame Eugene o ya akraba omu ade ase Kwame Eugene person de nanim twitwitwi fom aye ku na asaye no biomti this time around no or person or cancer industry nipa omu ade pa ye ye nwa be Kwame Eugene mama ajo ade na be ka fa
Kwame Eugene me dem hu se omu ade me hu woda o video na me hu
yeah
ite ya mpasa de Patapa e ka no wo de mpanyifo anim twitwi fom a jai wo ya akola afena wo ba mpanyifo anu ye bosom ti Mr. respectful okay
respectful but Patapizi one but Kwame Eugene we industry ni ye kan panyini mu dia na Patapa bit me aka so wanyini
no want to know
ni ya omu no
ubu ade a enye Patapa akwa na so respect no
okay
obi a wanyini che obi a
e we industry ni no
you are my son okay
the first one now last
the last because okay. The age is about 20 something
yeah so enjoy last
you are my son okay respectful and grow up
Open asem.
I love you.
I love you.
I love your sounds.
Okay.
Your creativity. Your
Yes.
special creativity. So don't
Don't mind them.
Don't mind anybody. Go your way.
Okay. Na che say mama adwobe ni nsema o ka efa patapizi ene Kwame Eugene bi for say Kwame Eugene we ne dogba opewasem ye pa na afi so say am pase wu mu ade se ne patapai ka na onde ohun ye bo srew go bi ama no na sa wetime waka me ne nsem keka no eto entwa yankwa kasebo a edi wo hot news. Yes, kasebo a ejetuato kasebo a proper say ya it just be to so dia na wa social media wa fa ni so kuma TV ni so yi dia chero. Yeah,
Kuma TV aba amansane yena yedi Kuma TV aba amansane yena yedi